Hey everyone, 𝘨𝘨𝘨 is here. Let's talk about something that can truly make or break your directory project, your theme choice. In Directorist, a theme isn't just about your color or layout. It influences how your site functions, how users interact with it, and what kind of business model you can build. Choose the wrong theme and you will feel limited. Choose the right one and everything moves faster and feels more aligned. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 major Directorist themes and explain when each one makes sense. Let's start with one listing. This theme is ideal for beginners. It offers a clean general-purpose directory layout that works across many niches: local businesses, service directories, educational listings, and more. Since it's free, one listing is perfect for testing ideas, learning configurations, or launching a small project without upfront investment. However, it's built for flexibility rather than specialization. If you eventually need industry-specific layouts or advanced monetization features, you may outgrow it. Think of one listing as your foundation: simple, reliable, and beginners-friendly. Next up is Declassified. This theme is designed specifically for classified-style website platforms where users post items for sale. That includes cars, electronics, real estate, or general buy and sell listing. The layout emphasizes product-style presentations, visible pricing, and structured category browsing. It feels more like an online marketplace than a traditional business directory. If your focus is on item rather than business, Declassified is a smart and purpose-driven choice. Now let's look at 𝑑Hotels. This theme is built specifically for hotel and accommodation directories. It highlights property listings, amenities, room details, and booking-focused layout. The structures support hospitality workflows naturally, making it ideal for hotels, vacation rentals, resorts, and travel platforms. If your niche revolves around accommodation services, 𝑑Hotels gives you a perfect build framework. And when a theme is specialized, it often saves time and reduces the need for heavy customization later. And finally, we have 𝑑Jobs. As the name suggests, this theme is built specifically for job boards and requirement platforms. Listings are structured as job posts. It supports employer profiles and it aligns smoothly with hiring workflows. If your directory involves employers, candidates, or career opportunities, 𝑑Jobs provides a focused and efficient starting point. This is not a general directory theme. It's designed specifically for recruitment. So how do you decide? Start with one simple question: what type of listing will my platform focus on? If you're experimenting or building something simple, one listing works well. If you're creating a buy and sell marketplace, go with Declassified. If you're building a hotel or accommodation directory, choose 𝑑Hotels. And if you're launching a job board or recruitment platform, 𝑑Job is the logical choice. And also remember, these are not the only options. Directorist offers additional official themes for different industries and layouts. You can also use compatible third-party WordPress themes as long as they properly support directories. Many modern themes integrate smoothly. So choose based on structure, niche alignment, and long-term goals, not just appearance. Avoid choosing a theme only because it looks attractive. Design can always be customized later. Structure is much harder to change. Also, avoid switching themes repeatedly during early development. That creates confusion, layout conflicts, and unnecessary delays. Make a strategic choice and move forward with clarity. Now that you understand the purpose of each theme, it's time to take action. In the next video, we'll install and activate a Directorist theme step by step. We'll configure the required plugins and walk through the initial setup process together. So let's get started.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.